taking a trip to Swansea from Cardiff Bay today, and I'm going to be making the journey by a mixture of bus, rail and walking. We left the Welsh Assembly building at 9:30, a short walk to the bus stop, and about a 5-minute wait for a bus. So hopefully we will now be getting to the railway station in time to catch the next part of the journey. Well, the bus got us from the bay to the railway station on time, and we are successfully on the 10:04 service to Swansea with our seat reservation, so everything going according to plan so far. If I'd have any complaints at all, it was that we got off the bus very near the back of the station, which was great, but there weren't any screens telling you which platform we needed, so we spent a little bit of time trying to find the platform, but here we are now, and looking forward to the next leg of the journey. Here we are, successfully in Swansea. Great journey so far. I think one complaint that I would have about the train journey is although it was very comfortable, the tunnel announcements were quite quiet, so we were straining our ears to hear about the different information announcements. But here we are at Swansea Station. The next leg of our journey will be on foot, but we did notice they do have this very convenient bus departures system, so if you are getting the bus from the station, it's very easy to see the next leg of the journey, so we think that's a really good idea. Well, here we are, we've arrived safely at our destination, the National Waterfront Museum in Swansea. All in all, a very successful, comfortable, delay-free journey by both train and bus, and finally a bracing walk here. One thing I would say is that the journey took 1 hour and 40 minutes, which is a fair bit longer than if we'd come by car. So I think that that's one of the issues that needs to be addressed. If we want to get people to do the sort of journey that we've done, then making the journey as quick as possible is going to be all important.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd i gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, i ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac i ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru i gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac i ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch i cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter. The National Assembly for Wales is the democratically elected body that represents the interests of Wales and its people, makes laws for Wales, and holds the Welsh Government to account. For more information and to find out who represents you, go to assemblywales.org or follow us on Facebook and Twitter.